This video is to educate merchants on how to make a Pay Now, Send Payment link, and PinPad transaction on CloudPOS. Let's start with a simple Pay Now transaction. Log into the iPOS Pays portal. Click on CloudPOS, then Payments. First, select the CloudPOS TPN from the drop-down menu. Then, make sure you have selected these options. Enter the amount here. If you wish to provide a discount for the transaction or remove the tax amount, click here. The balance will dynamically change here. Please note that the ability to apply a discount and remove the tax is configurable. If you wish to disable this option, please contact your agent and ask them to do it for you. Now, enter the customer's card details. Click here to complete the transaction. The receipt will be sent to the phone number or email you entered. There's also an option to print the receipt here. When a customer provides their phone number or email during a transaction, their data will be saved on the My Customers page. So, the next time you want to make a transaction for the same customer, you can just click on Run a Sale, and their card details will be automatically fetched from the database. However, this time, the CVV becomes mandatory to complete the transaction. To send a payment link, make sure you have selected these options. Then, enter the amount. When you click here, a breakup screen will appear. Similar to the previous transaction, you can also provide a discount and remove the tax from here. Next, enter the customer's phone number or email. Choose the link expiration. Enter a transaction reference number. You can also add a line-by-line description of the transaction. Once you're done, click here to send the payment link. When the customer opens the link they received, they have the option to add a tip to the transaction. Then, the customer can enter their card details and complete the transaction. After completing the transaction, you can view the payment status in the Invoice tab. The payment status will be visible right here along with the transaction details. If you have notifications enabled for your store, a payment status will also be sent to the provided email. If it is not enabled, go to Settings and scroll down to find the Payment Notifications option. Click here to enable notifications. Here, you can choose the store and payment channel. The email that was provided during the onboarding process will be automatically carried over here, but you can replace it with another. You can include up to 4 email addresses for a single store, and all will receive notifications. If you manage multiple stores under the same TPN, use the plus icon to add another store. Click Save for the changes to take effect. Next, let's see how to make a PinPad transaction. First, make sure you have selected these options. Choose the payment type. The payment type you set here will be automatically reflected in the PinPad device. You can also choose who to print a receipt for. Enter the amount. When you click here, a breakup screen will appear. Similar to previous transactions, you can also apply a discount or remove the tax from here. Once you're finished, click Process. The entered amount will be automatically transferred to the integrated PinPad device. This will enable the customer to pay for the transaction from the PinPad device. After completing the transaction, you can head to the Transactions tab and view all the transactions in a single place. Automatic batch settlements are scheduled to occur at 1 a.m. daily. If you wish to settle the batch manually, go to Batches. Then, click on View Batch. Click here to settle the batch. The batch is now settled. Thanks for watching.